I wanna eat. No, put it there. Thank you. It's the second time. Utate karaoke pies be plus minus 2, 3. And this and then face ebusweni again. They cook it. I love you. Kushonja. I love you. Funeka thini papa? Fundisa umakhulu wakho funeka thini? Hayi umamele kaloku. Funeka thini? Ngesilungu. Unako? Funeka thini? Athi Yeah, good people. Funeka uthi ngalo ngithetha ngesilungu nawe uphendula ngesilungu. Yes, I love you too, itsho njalo.
I love you too.
Thank you, my mother. That's my mother. Nomona umzukulwana lo. Sikuko? Nomona namangi. Yeah, ne? Guys, I love you. Baby, thanks for the breakfast. It's so nice. I don't know how do we call it. Is it English also?
Welcome.
Well, yeah?
You're welcome.
Thank you. What is the name of the breakfast? Is it English or Mpi breakfast? Mpi? Mpi. There must be MPI in front. Yo, enkosi. But this I have to concentrate on next.